friends, and welcome to the wonderful world of the magical Miss Rachel. That's me. We are going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Let's begin. Achoo! An Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald. No, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggie, Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. And there's the sneaky little pigeon. The end. Thank you so much for listening. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You earned it. If you would like to see more read alouds or more fun videos, remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, toodles.